Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can dispute a transaction on Venmo. Let's jump right in. If you ever come across a Venmo transaction that seems incorrect, unauthorized, or suspicious, you may be able to dispute it directly through the Venmo app. It's important to note, however, that not all transactions are eligible for dispute within the app. Specifically, transactions made using the Venmo debit card or purchases made through online merchants cannot be reported or disputed through the app interface. In those cases, you'll need to reach out directly to Venmo support to file a dispute and get further assistance. For all other types of transactions, disputing them through the Venmo app is a straightforward process. Start by opening the app and navigating to the Me tab at the bottom of the screen. Scroll through your transaction history and select the specific transaction you want to dispute. Once you've selected it, tap on Need Help and choose the statement that best describes the problem you're experiencing. If you need to dispute more than one transaction, you can tap Add More, select the additional ones, and then hit Add to include them in the same request. After selecting your transactions, tap Next and provide any additional details that might help explain the issue. The more accurate and detailed your explanation is, the better it will help Venmo's support team understand and resolve the problem. Once you've added all the necessary information, tap Submit Issue to officially file your dispute. In some cases, Venmo may ask you to reset your password for security purposes, so be prepared to do that if prompted.